In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in a constant contact email campaign. Whether you're correcting a small typo or refreshing your main message, I'll guide you through a clean, reliable workflow so you can make changes with confidence and keep your email looking polished. Start by opening Constant Contact in your web browser. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, give the page a second to load. If you manage more than one organization or list, quickly confirm you're in the right account to avoid changing the wrong campaign. A stable, up-to-date browser helps the editor run smoothly. Next, go to the email campaign you want to edit. Navigate to the campaign's area and locate the message you plan to update. Use the search bar or filter by status, like draft or scheduled, to find it faster. Look at the thumbnail, subject line, and last edited date to make sure you've got the correct version. If a campaign is scheduled, remember that any edits you make here will affect what's queued to send. When you're ready, click Edit. The email editor will open, showing your layout on the canvas and tools in the sidebar. Give it a moment to fully load and watch for hover outlines that indicate what can be selected. The editor typically autosaves, but it's still best practice to save deliberately after meaningful changes so you can track your progress. Now select the text block you want to change. Hover your cursor over the area, click the block, and you'll see the formatting toolbar appear. This is where you adjust font styling, alignment, bulleting, and links. If you see placeholder text, highlight it completely so you don't leave stray characters. Note that headlines, subheads, and body copy may be separate blocks, so select precisely where you want to work. Type or update your text directly in the block. Keep sentences clear and concise. Use active voice, and make your call to action unmistakable. If you paste from another source, use the clear formatting option to remove unwanted styles. Double-check spelling, dates, offers, and any linked text. To verify a link, select the words, click the link icon, and confirm the destination URL. Scan for consistent capitalization and spacing to stay on brand. When your updates look good, click Save. Then choose Preview to see how the email will appear to your recipients. Toggle between desktop and mobile views and look for awkward line breaks, missing punctuation, or broken links. Reading the message out loud helps catch anything your eyes might skip. If something needs work, close Preview, make quick adjustments, save again, and preview once more until everything feels right. That's the process. Open Constant Contact, find your campaign, click Edit, select the right text block, update your copy, and save and preview before sending. Follow this flow each time for accurate, confident edits.